This 2020 Jayco Jay Flight Bungalow 40FKDS is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 41 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, TV, external shower, oven, stovetop burner, refrigerator, microwave, air conditioning, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features front kitchen, mid-living area, rear bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.